fantastic day. So I wanted to make this video on how you guys can get done for you campaigns without having to build them yourself. So first things first, shout out to everybody that subscribed. We just hit 10,000 subscribers, so that's pretty smooth. It's been a long journey to hit 10,000 subscribers, at least on this channel here or whatnot. It's crazy, like on this channel where I'm literally teaching people how to change their life from stuff, like it took like damn near what, 3-4 years to hit 10,000 subscribers. But on my nonsense channel, that shit happened. I got like 10,000 subscribers in one day. Like this shit is mind blowing. Like, I kid you not, guys. I'm telling you, if you are having a hard time making money online, it's because you're in the making money online niche. Go into a different niche, and I'm telling you, you'll make way more money. You'll have way less headache. Like, I'm telling you guys, it's just mind blowing. Like, you'll have people go and spend $50,000 on, a college degree or whatnot, not see any success, not ask for a refund after spending $50,000 they're in debt, right? They will not ask for a refund, but you can sell them a $100 ebook or a $100 course or a $100 software, and they'll be on your ass for a refund after like a day. But they just put 50 grand over in the college. They put 4 years in over there, but they won't even give, what you're doing a week, a couple of days, even like a serious couple of hours. And then they're going to be on your ass over a refund and all type of stuff. I'm telling you guys, just go into a different niche if you're having trouble making money online. But again, thanks a lot, everybody who subscribed and all that fun stuff. Really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are actually following this stuff and making money. I get lots of emails from a lot of you guys basically thanking me and all that stuff. And again, I do this because I know what it's like to be broke. If you don't know, I used to be a legit broke-ass college student, and now I went from barely being able to pay my shit. I fell 2 months behind on the rent, like legit behind. If I didn't have a good landlord, I probably would have been evicted or whatnot. Yeah, like I said, life can, real life change. I went from having a super shitty ass beat up car, falling months behind on the rent, to being able to buy a house in cash with just 10 days of my earnings. And then you guys will see my Camaro. Bought that cash with just 4 days of my earnings. And again, it's just amazing that I can go from that type of life where I was legit broke as fuck to being able to have the life that I do now. And I can literally just do whatever I want 7 days a week. I got time freedom, and I can just do whatever I want, And if you guys want that type of lifestyle, you can do the exact same thing. It's not difficult. Well, it is kind of difficult. You just got to put in the work. It's just that whole mindset of actually just doing the work, just getting it done. That's it. Because when offline, you're taught the complete opposite of what you need to do online. Offline, people are on your ass. So let's say you go to work and you don't do something. There's someone on your ass. So you're always used to someone being on your ass to not, if you don't do something. If you don't do your chores, your parents are on your ass. If you don't do your homework, your teachers are on your ass. If you don't pay a ticket, the cops, the government, whatever, are on your ass. There's always someone on your ass. If you don't work at your job, someone is on your ass. Online, there is no one on your ass. Well, oh well. If you don't want to do the work, that's your problem. That's your fault, because what you do doesn't affect me. Oh, you think that's a scam? That's fine. Oh, you don't want a course? That's fine. Oh, you don't want to do this? That's fine. That's just how it is online, So everything you're taught offline literally contradicts what you have to do online, So yeah, that's pretty much it. I got a little off topic there or whatnot, but guys, definitely make sure you follow this stuff. It's very good information. Quick tips. Don't worry about course reviews or any type of reviews or whatnot, when it comes to making money online, because everyone who says the shit sucked was going to fail anyway, and all the people who said it was amazing was going to fail. Was going to make it either way. So the course reviews, software reviews, stuff like that really just don't matter unless it's something saying oh, it doesn't open or it doesn't work, or something like that. When it comes to the software, obviously that's something completely different. But if it's some marketing software that's going to post in groups for you, stuff like that, if someone says, oh, I've been posting in groups all day and I didn't make any money, so they leave a negative review, right? But the next person might post in one group and make $1,000. like I said, it really just depends on what it is that the software. I mean, whatever the product or whatever it is. But 99% of the time, if the person leaves a good review, they were going to be successful with or without that course or software. And if they say it was awful, they were going to fail either way. That's just 99% of the time how it goes. But anyway, let's jump into the topic at hand here. How can you guys get Done For You campaigns for free? And it's actually very simple, guys. All you need to do is just go and make you a little text now thing or whatnot. Oh, now that I'm on that topic or whatnot, the number in the description of these videos or whatnot, I'm actually trying to get that back. So if you've been messaging me on that within the last 3 weeks, I haven't got it. I normally don't check it. I ain't gonna lie, I don't check it regularly. I just normally just check it whenever I get a notification, or or I just happen to see the notification after all of the million that's on there. Basically I'll just check it every once in a while. So then I went to go check it a few days ago, and I realized that I was no longer logged into that account. So I tried to log in to it, but it just wouldn't let me. It just went straight to the sign up. Tried legit over and over and over to just log in, and it's not working. It just sends you to create a brand new account. So I don't know what's up with that. Might have to just go through and edit the videos and put a new number up or whatnot. Also, if you message me on the DeAngelo's rewards email, I have not had any emails for probably the last month because the thing was filled up, and I just legit just didn't know because I've been focusing on the Oryx stuff. I've been using them for the Oryx emails or whatnot. And if you sent me a payment on Venmo, I'll just try to get that back to you. And I'm trying to get into that account as well. Basically, I got a new phone, so yeah, I've been locked out of all of my stuff, whatnot. I actually just got an email from this guy. He sent me $300 on Google Pay or whatnot, but it was to the email that wasn't verified, so I just refunded dude or whatever. So if you send me a payment or whatnot, I just haven't got don't worry about it. Obviously, I'm not gonna scam you or no stupid shit like that. You guys know who I am or whatnot. But yeah, that is pretty much it on that end. If you've been trying to hit me up or get in touch with me, just message DeAngelo's rewards at gmail.com, because that email is all uncluttered and stuff now, so we're good to go and get emails over there. But now back to the topic at hand here. Go create an email, right? Go create a text number, something doesn't have to be paid or anything along those lines. Just get you a text number or whatnot. And what you want to do is just go to a bunch of different type of spam sites. Believe it or not, legit, just go to a bunch of different type of spam sites, and you want to put that phone number in everywhere, everywhere. Every gift card site, every the making money online ones, anything that will take the card information in I wouldn't even say in your niche, just do it in any niche, because you never know what's going to work and what's not going to work, especially the weight loss niche. You definitely jump on that. But once you start doing that, you'll just start getting random text messages from these companies selling that phone number to everyone and everybody, right? And you're just going to start getting a shit ton of landing pages. Hey, I thought you wanted to make X amount of dollars a week. Or, hey, are you looking to lose 30 pounds in a month, or something like that, right? And they're I actually just got this one. He was talking about Dr. Oz or something like that. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Yeah, it says Dr. Oz just came out with some new pill or whatnot. It had my name in there. And it was you got 3 hours to basically claim this deal or whatnot. And there's no side effects, blah, blah, blah. All right? So then they got the URL here that's basically taking people to the landing page. And then I just click the landing page. I can literally copy their landing page and boom, go promote it. That simple. Or I can get their, once I get their URL, all I got to do is just check and see where their traffic is coming from, and boom, I can start running the same exact offer. Literally, these are done for you campaigns. All you have to do is just copy the landing page and then replace their CPA offer link with your CPA offer link, and boom, that's it. That's all you got to do. So this is a very, very, very simple way to get done for you campaigns. Now, you are still going to have to test, obviously. It's called a done for you campaign because, obviously you got all this data or whatnot that worked. But let's say, 5 people go out and do this same exact method here, whatnot, and then, they start running the same campaign. Then of course you got to test, right? If let's say you don't know where they're getting their traffic from, right? Let's say you want to go over to Google, you got to test over there, or you go test over on Facebook, or you go test over on Bing, or whatever the case may be, right? You got to do a little bit of testing, obviously. You just got all the variables that you need, though, right? But yeah, that is pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. So yeah, if you got any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Again, thanks to everybody that subscribed. Really appreciate it. It's crazy again that a broke college student was able to change, I was able to change my entire life around and help thousands of people all over the world. It's kind of crazy. But hey, I guess that's life for you. That's what happens when you decide you're worth more than an hourly wage.